Specifically designed for upholstery cleaning and spot treatments, Agile Equipment is now selling the Mytee Lite 8070 upholstery heated carpet extractor. Its portability and size make it not only ideal for restos and carpet cleaners, but for car detailers as well. Inside, it features a powerful 3-stage vacuum motor for strong suction, a 120 psi pump perfect for proper upholstery cleaning, and a 1000-watt heater that heats solution temperatures up to 99 degrees Celsius. With two 15-litre tanks for solution and recovery, it offers a perfect balance of capacity and portability, making it ideal for mobile operators and shop-based professionals alike. It comes with 4 caster wheels and an easy-to-use handle and metal basket for easy reach of chemicals. Getting started is quick and simple. Fill the solution tank with up to 15 litres of water using the bucket or the faucet fill hose. Connect your upholstery tool's vacuum hose, then attach the quick connect fitting for your solution line. Plug the power cord into the grounded outlet and you're ready to begin. To prime and test the pump, switch it on and direct the upholstery tool into the solution tank. Pull the trigger until water flows steadily, then switch on the heater and allow 7 to 10 minutes for the system to warm. When you're about to extract, apply pre-spray like IQ Pro's Firefly pre-spray and let it sit for about 5 minutes. When you start, squeeze the trigger as you extract along the upholstery surface. Use 1 wet pass followed by 2 dry passes to extract. This method prevents overwetting while maximizing suction, giving you cleaner results and faster drying times. It's perfect for tackling spills on upholstery, refreshing car seats, and lifting dirt from carpets and vehicle interiors. When the job is done, draining is simple. Use the rear drain cap or the included hose to empty the 15-litre recovery tank. Mytee Lite 8070 is compact, powerful, and versatile. For car detailing, upholstery cleaning, and professional spot removal, it delivers heated extraction performance you can rely on every day. Buy now at agileequipment.com.au or drop by our showroom to check the Mytee Lite out. Thanks for watching.